Competency 6. Managing student behavior. The teacher understands strategies for creating and organizing a productive learning environment and for managing student behavior. Key terms: discrimination, extinction, generalization, negative reinforcement, positive reinforcement, schedule of reinforcement, shaping. Organizing the classroom. Organizing the classroom can depend on many variables: the age of the students, the instructional needs, how students behave around each other, what sort of tasks the teacher wants, individual or group. Procedures and routines. One of the keys to effective classroom management is the establishment of age-appropriate procedures for daily or regular activities and transitions. Once the procedures are established and students have opportunities to practice the procedures, they become routines. Procedures should have approximately 3 to 5 steps that enable the students to successfully complete the activity. An example of a procedure could be when students enter a classroom. Enter the classroom quietly. Put your coat and backpack in its place. Sharpen your pencils. Begin your morning bell work. Classroom rules and consequences. Rules should be reasonable, clearly understandable, and consistent with the school's guidelines for behavior. Most authorities agree that 3 to 5 rules are sufficient. A few examples of positively stated rules include: be polite and respectful to others. Use good manners. Keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself. Obey all school rules. Listen while others talk. Discipline plans for the classroom must not only include rules, but also consequences, both positive and negative, for compliance or non-compliance. Positive reinforcement strengthens a behavior through addition, while negative reinforcement strengthens behavior through subtraction. There are 2 schedules of reinforcement. There is continuous reinforcement, in which a behavior is reinforced each time it is demonstrated. There is also intermittent reinforcement, where the behavior is rewarded over increasingly longer segments of time. Extinction is when the teacher ignores an undesirable student behavior in hopes of extinguishing it. Shaping is when the teacher positively reinforces successive, approximate behaviors. Building a relationship with students based on mutual respect and genuine caring is probably the most important factors to managing student behavior. A few suggested activities. Find evidence of effective posted rules in the classroom. Note children's awareness of and ability to complete routines and procedures. List and role-play examples of teacher behaviors that encourage and discourage the development of caring and supportive learning communities within a classroom. Observe 2 different classrooms and interview the teachers. Discuss with teachers their philosophies of classroom management. Compare them with your own views. Observe the environment and interactions among the children and between the teacher and the students. Describe how their philosophies match or do not match. Write up your findings and opinions.